Show me.
I don't sit around and wait for a check.
I'm waiting on the first.
You wait for a check.
I'm waiting on your check.
Okay? But you gotta be crazy.
I'm waiting on I'm what?
You know what I said. You got to be crazy waiting on mine.
You don't even know my address.
Shit, I know exactly what apartment you stay in.
Well, you're not gonna be there.
Okay. You can't keep me.
You crazy.
The only thing keep me out is prison. And that's where I can't get up. I get it. Anybody got to get out.
Don't give him
fucked up.
Don't give him another drink because he has one drink.
No,
y'all got Bird fucked up on everything.
I can get in any house I want to.
Go get your one.
I can get up in any house.
This is my auntie and uncle right here, blood. They do this every day. 17 years of
I
marriage.
used to be the best burglar in Oakland. And I ain't stopped. Shit, I can get in anybody's goddamn house.
Get in, but you ain't getting in mine.
Shit, okay.
I put that on my dead mouth. You're not getting in mine.
We ain't gotta go through all that.
You're not getting in mine. You should know by now that I'm serious.
I see, you know you love
You ain't never
Bird.
been serious.
I don't love Bird. Bird is a dope fiend.
It ain't. Hey, hold it. What's a dope fiend? Always a dope fiend.
Hey, y'all remember Bird from my picture I posted of him on Facebook before in his pajamas and shit?
I smoked for a year.
You still a dope fiend?
Roll up.
I wouldn't care if you smoke one day.
Dope fiend.
Remember my thought. I don't care if you smoke for one day. I don't care if you smoke for one day.
But I didn't lose nothing.
I do not care if you smoke for one day.
But I didn't lose nothing.
You ain't gotta lose nothing.
I thought I didn't lose nothing.
Don't ever do drugs, people.
I still have jury.
You look.
My son has jury belonging.
Hold it. You talking about jury?
Oh, he's serious.
I don't get so much jury.
I know it for a block.
No, to my sisters.
For a hit.
No. That's what you crazy at.
Bird always, I mean, this going down. We in the studio shooting this movie. Bird keeping it real with Bernice.
Man, Rochelle, you don't listen.
Man, this they daughter right here.
No the fuck I'm not.
I'm gonna smoke this cigarette.
Rochelle, y'all.
They love each other though. They bullshit. You feel me? Like I said, he go down on manorside, 7608.
You don't have any
Why?
money.
You see her?
He gotta come out.
Great auntie Bernice, man. 17 years of marriage. This hard out here, man. They doing
If he
this.
can't do that, he can't come with me.
Smirkus, what a guy.
There they go.
What a guy.
My nigga Bucky on the other camera from the other angle. I see you, boy. What's happening?
Yeah. 102.
You from 102nd? East Oakland? Plymouth? You don't know nothing about the P over there by Elmhurst?
Elmhurst.
Okay, I see you. What they do over there? What they used to do over there, man?
I whooped that nigga's ass like he was in the 69th village.
Oh, the Ville?
The Ville.
The Ville was cracking back in your day, huh, auntie?
Yeah.
My dog
Felix Mitchell.
I'm about to see right now if it's a room in there, shit.
Felix Mitchell, Mickey Moore. I know them all.
You know them all?
I was down there when they made the movie called The Mac.
Oh, I think I seen you on there.
Mac Judy.
I think I seen you on there, too.
Ward Brothers. I know all of them.
You know him? I believe you, too.
I personally know them.
You personally. Which one you used to fuck with, auntie? Look, you don't even know you fuck with all of them.
Shit, she don't fuck
With all of them. Auntie! Auntie was a bopper. Hey!
Good night.
Alright, auntie. There go auntie. I think her auntie bopping in the hood, though.
Smirkus, see me.
You gonna stop it? Hold on, Darian. Light, Darian. Light, Darian.
She's from the Ward Brothers.
Hold on.
She's been out there on the track.
The track.
Cause I was down there when they made the movie.
You feel me? So you was down there too, man. You know them niggas too. You let them niggas fuck your bitch? I mean your girl.
Hold it. First of all, she don't know him. She thinks she know him. I know them all. And I know him right today.
Some of them did.
I know it.
So you can't know them today.
I knew they first hoe. I knew they first hoe.
In jail in Santa Rita.
I knew they first hoe. Cause me and our brother was like this here.
So you turned the hoe into a housewife when you married Auntie Bernice? You can't turn the hoe into a housewife, but Bird did
Say
it.
it again. No. I ain't
You
trying
can't turn the hoe into a housewife, but Bird did it. Smirkish. Smirkish. That's a new
I
thing.
ain't trying to hoe into a housewife.
Hey yo, it's real ooty though, you feel me? It's goody out here, you feel me? Young Bertie and Bernice, you feel me? B&B. You know what I mean? They go through this everything every day, you feel me? 7 years, you feel me? 17 years of marriage.
19.
Drug deal,
And I hate it.
hoeing heels, you feel me? You better watch it because they going head over heels with this shit.
Now
man.
Bird hate his fucking marriage.
Now they hate that shit. They
Just
argue
the other
every
day
day.
he told
Then
me
yeah,
that.
we went out. It's over. Lights out, bitch.